See how immature I am. Isaiah, you're about to demonstrate how you got in the world. How'd you get conceived, Isaiah? What happened? Can you tell Mommy and Daddy? You know about the birds and the bees. Yeah? 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 Petting? Yeah? What's after that? Oh gosh.